Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to study one question related to journal and then we will post it to the ledger. So first we will pass the necessary journal entries related to the question. So the first entry is on June 5 business started with cash 2 lakh rupees. Now in this question, whenever anyone starts business with cash, it is called the capital. So we will pass the necessary journal entry as under date I'm writing June 5 and in particulars I'll write cash account debited to capital account. In the debit column I'll write the debit amount, that is 2 lakh rupees, and in the credit amount I'll write the credit value, that is 2 lakh rupees, and the foremost important thing is narration, so I'll write business started with cash. The second entry is goods purchased on credit from Rohan. Since you have purchased goods on credit, goods are coming in the business, so the entry will be purchases account debited to Rohan's account. So in the debit column I'll write 80,000 and in credit column I'll write 80,000 and narration goods purchased on credit. The third entry purchased office machines and paid by check, that is 20,000. So here is the entry office machinery account debited to bank account. Since money is going out of the bank, so bank will be credited. In the debit column I'll write 20,000 and in the credit column I'll write 20,000 and narration purchased office machinery. Your next entry is on June 18 you paid rent by check. So rent account debited, since rent is the expense it will be debited and you are paying, so bank account will be credited. Credit what goes out. In the debit column you will write 5,000 and in credit column you will write 5,000 and narration rent paid by check. So on June 22 cash sales are there. So cash account debited, since cash is coming, to sales account as the goods are going out, and in debit amount 15,000, credit amount 15,000 and narration sold goods for cash. On June 25, you received a check from Rohini. So bank account debited to Rohini's account. 10,000 in debit column, 10,000 in credit column and narration received a check. On June 30, you paid salary in cash. So salary account debited, since salary is the expense, so it will be debited to cash account as cash is going out, it will be credited. In debit column you will write 6,000 and in credit column you will write 6,000 and in narration you will write paid salary. Now our next step is to post these entries to the ledger. Now how many ledger accounts will prepare will depend upon the number of the names or the different names that are appearing in the journal. So here, as we can see on our first sheet, there are total 7 different names coming, that is cash account, capital, purchases, Rohan, office machinery, rent account. And on the second page you have sales, Rohini's account and salary account. So total of 10 ledger accounts will be prepared. So let's post these entries to the ledger. So let's start with the first transaction, that is cash account debited to capital account. So I am going to write the name of the account, that is cash account. As you can see, cash account is debited, so it will come on the debit side. And you will not write the name of the cash, you will write the name that is coming opposite in the entry, that is to capital account, and in the amount you will write the debit amount, that is 2 lakh rupees. There was one more entry which includes cash, that was cash account debited to sales account. Now here again cash account is debited, sales account is credited. So in the cash account the entry will come on the debit side and you will write the opposite name, that is to sales account, and in the amount column you will write 15,000. Third entry including cash was salary account debited to cash. Now here cash account is coming on the credit side, or we will post the entry on the credit side and you will write the opposite name. Whenever you are writing any entry on the credit side, you will use the prefix by salary account and in the amount 6,000 rupees. Let's move on to the next account, that is capital account. As you can see, our capital account is credited, so it will come on the credit side. So remember, whenever you are writing on the credit side, we'll use prefix by and we will write the opposite name, that is cash account, and in the amount column I am going to write 2 lakh rupees. The third account is purchases account. So here purchases account is debited, so it will come on the debit side and we will write the opposite name, that is to Rohan's account, and in the amount column I am going to write 80,000. The next account is Rohan's account. As you can see, Rohan's account is credited, so it will come on the credit side and we will use the prefix by and the opposite name, that is purchases. So by purchases account, and in the amount column I'll write 80,000. Next account is office machinery account, and here the office machinery is debited, so it will come on the debit side and we will write the opposite name, that is to bank account, and in the amount column I'll write 20,000. Next I'm going to prepare bank account. So as you can see, bank account is credited, it will come on the credit side with the opposite name, that is by office machinery account, and in the amount I'll write 20,000. There was one more entry related to bank, that was rent account debited to bank account. Here also bank account is credited, so it will come on the credit side with the opposite name by rent account, and in the amount column I'll write 5,000. On June 25, there was one entry. Here bank account is debited, so it will come on the debit side with the opposite name to Rohini's account, and in the amount column I'll write 10,000. As we don't have any other entry related to bank account, so let's move over to the next account, that is your rent account. So rent account is debited, so we will write on the debit side with the name to bank account, and in the amount column I'll write 5,000 rupees. Next we have sales account. Sales account is credited, so it will come on the credit side with the opposite name cash account. So we will write by cash account, and in the amount column 15,000. Next is your Rohini's account. Here Rohini's account is credited, so we will write opposite name, that is by bank account, and in the amount column I'll write 10,000. So we have one more account to prepare, that is your salary account. So salary account is debited, so it will come on the debit side with the opposite name to cash account, and the amount column 6,000 rupees. Always remember the total number of names or the different names appearing in your journal. That many ledger accounts you have to prepare. I hope now you understand how to pass the necessary journal entries and how to post them to the ledger. That's all for today. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.